Yeah, welcome YouTube. My name is Paul Kroon and today I'm gonna go on with the third part of our styling in PowerApps. So let's go to PowerApps, and what we had from the earlier videos is that we have on the left side a design part of our controls and on the right side a template part. And when I select one part, you see I connected them to his mother with the design control. I think to do all the controls took about 30 minutes and I have a little bit an aching pulse from it. So yeah, it takes some time and it's not very user friendly, and that's for the most part that I can't tap from one control to the other like I can do at the properties. Here I can tap, and at the fonts I have to really click something, select it, copy. I always do copy this. So I have to select it, paste it, do the first character, and then select my property I want to connect to. And when I could tap, I don't have to use my mouse, and it would be a lot faster. I think now it took about 30 minutes, and without a mouse it will took probably 5 minutes to do the same. And I noticed that when I'm building an app and I copy these controls and I'm changing some property here, it's gonna take me a lot of time also. So what I did, and maybe you can vote for this idea, is that I asked the PowerApps team to make tapping in the advanced tab also possible. So I'm gonna show the link to this site in the comments in the video. So when you click it, you can vote for this idea. There is another idea I voted myself, that is the question to inherit formatting attributes or properties from one control to the other, and I made an extra comment on that, how this should work for the PowerApps team. So maybe you can vote this also, and I will put this in the description also. So back to the app, because at the end I took about 30 minutes to do this, and okay, it takes time, but it will be fine, because later on when I copy it, all my formatting will be automatically set and I don't have to do all my controls one at a time. So what I'm gonna do now, I have my template controls and I have my design, but now I want to first connect all the controls with a font formatting. So with a font, I'm gonna select, why doesn't he select the toggle? And I'm gonna go to the font property and say day font. So I'm gonna connect it to my font property. You see all are changing on this moment. So that's okay. I'm gonna do the same for the size, because all these properties I want the size to be the same as my font size for my whole app. Then I deselect only the button. Okay, because the button is a little bit different than the other ones when I go to the color. So I'm gonna do the default color on this one, and I'm gonna do the same with the fill. Okay, I can do the fill on all of the properties. So I think I'm gonna leave it with that. So our color of our text is the same as our font, so we can say I want the font, I want the size, and I want my coloring for all my controls. This I'm gonna leave like default, and I think that's fine like this. Then I'm gonna change my header, and on my header I only gonna change the font of my header let's look for it. To my dfont dot font. And my footer, I'm gonna do the same. Dfont dot font. So my font is the same in all my app. Now I'm gonna change the text of my footer because this gonna be the same by Paul Kroon for the whole app. I'm gonna do aligning and I have to do it in the top. I'm gonna set it to the left. And then I have to do only the padding for the left. I put it on 65, so it's nice beneath my or beside my icon. So when we now go to our template, we see the same text for all our app. And when we want to search specific controls, of course I have to do S00, and I can say I want to use in my template, I want to use a combo box, a text input, a label, and a drop down. So gonna select those 4 buttons, copy, go to the new screen I want to build, and can paste my controls to my new screen. Then I can rename my screen and say this is my main screen. And move it up. We'll make this screen run at start of my app. So now I made connection to my controls and I add the controls font to all the controls, so everything will change. When I change one topic here, it will change in whole my app. So now we're finished with the template controls and the design controls and connecting them for now, I think. And now we're done with that. We're going to go to the next video and then I'm gonna do the icons to show the icons for all my app and be able to copy them also to the screens where I want to use them. So thank you for looking at this video, and if you like, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in part 4 where we kind of finish up our design and make a basis for the apps we're gonna build in the future. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.